Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to purchase a product on timeforyourdreamtour.com. If you have already found the product you're interested in, or if you have already checked its availability with us, we recommend logging in with your email before purchasing or registering, if you haven't done so yet. To find the product you want, you can browse one of the sections on the homepage, or search for the specific location you would like to visit. Once you have selected your product and verified its availability with a tour agent, simply click Add to Cart. If your trip includes extras, such as a single room supplement, go back to the search bar and search again for the location you will be visiting. You will see a product called Single Room Supplement. You can also find it in the Services section under Extras, Single Room Supplement, where you will see a dedicated page that gives you a quick access to all available single room supplements for our trips. Once selected, click Add to Cart. If you'd like to add other gadgets, services, or extras to your trip, always search by location and check if there are additional options related to your journey. For example, you can find the travel video package, which can also be selected using the filters on the left-hand column by simply checking the box. Once selected, add it to your cart as well. You can also add gadgets such as hoodies, t-shirts, and caps to your cart. Please note that these items will not be shipped to your home, but will be personally delivered to you at the start of the tour. When you are ready, click on the cart. If you have a discount coupon, enter the code. If not, click Proceed to Checkout. Once on the checkout page, simply fill in the required information and you're all set.